Hey guys, welcome to my channel Naturally Lux, which comprises videos about beauty tips, tricks and home remedies dedicated to your skincare. And just to inform, I have recently started out this channel. Yeah, I am a newbie on YouTube, and in order to grow, I need a lot of support from you people. If you're kind enough to support and motivate me, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and if you did so, that would be so awesome. So guys, with all that being said, let's get to the actual video, which is about how do we get rid of those annoying acne scars that houses our face long after the acne themselves are gone. So to knock them out, we'll be using two common kitchen ingredients. So there shouldn't be any excuse why not to try this face mask out. So as you can see, we have got turmeric on one hand and yogurt on the other. We'll be mixing these two ingredients at certain proportions, make a paste out of it and apply it on the affected areas. So here I am taking approximately half teaspoons of turmeric. One more thing guys, if you want a more refreshing feeling, you might use a bit of rose water. I guess you can see like I did. However, it's not mandatory. If you don't want to use it, it's okay. It's up to you. Then we have got yogurt. We will use 1 teaspoon of yogurt. This quantity is perfect if you're using this mask on your face and neck area. However, if you're using it on other body parts, you might need a greater quantity of yogurt. For example, 1 to 2 tablespoons should be sufficient. We're mixing this out. Now let's talk about how this face masks work. We have got turmeric, which removes excess oil and open clogged pores on your face, which might cause pimples and eventually lead to the formation of this acne marks. And turmeric also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which means that it helps to soothe acne inflammation as well as fights acne causing bacteria. Then yogurt. Yogurt is extremely rich in lactic acid, which moisturizes and nourishes your skin. So this mask is especially beneficial if you have dry skin. So yogurt also has one more component, zinc, my favorite, which slows down your aging process and is also well known for its lightening abilities. Whether that's acne, scars, discoloration, pigmentation, doesn't matter. Zinc will help to lighten all of them and bring out that natural glow on your face, that spotless look on your face. And the best thing about this mask is you can provide 2 vitamins to your skin simultaneously. One comes from turmeric, vitamin C, which clears your skin, and then we have got another vitamin, vitamin B2, which comes from yogurt, that promotes healthy new cell growth. So this mask, as you can see, is super beneficial for your skin. So here I am with a little quantity of this mixture. That should be enough, and it's ready. Time to apply it. Hey guys, you can see I have applied it on my hand. Using cotton ball I did that, although I couldn't show that in the video because I kind of messed that thing up, so I deleted that part from the video. It's okay, you know how to apply it. You can use your fingers, your brush, whatever you like to apply it on your acne scar affected area. I kept this mask on for 20 to 30 minutes. That's the ideal time. And now I'm washing it off with cold water. The reason I'm emphasizing cold water is because recall that I say turmeric opens up your pores and cleans them. Now you cannot keep your pores open because there will be further accumulation of dirt if you do so. In order to close the pores back, we use cold water. Cold water will shrink the pores, and so there cannot be any buildup of oil, dirt or bacteria, anything that could again cause pimples or other acne to form. So I have washed it off. Now I will pat it dry. One thing to remember is if you want significant result, then you need to repeat it twice a week for at least 1 month to see any satisfactory result. And for me, my skin feels great just after this one use, although I do not have any acne scars on my hand. But do give it a try, and if it helped you, please give it a big thumbs up. And that's it. Bye.